Welcome to today's Tech Bite. For those of you that use Solid Ultimate or Solid Ultimate for closets, when you go to layout walls, you're going to be using the CAD features. This is different from the old point system that you've been used to in earlier versions. Using the CAD, you have a lot more options and it's a very powerful tool. Although in the beginning, especially the very first time you see it, it can be a little confusing. So let's take a quick look at what's going on. I've already opened a job within Solid and I'm going to click on Walls. If you'll notice, we now have the CAD features showing. The first options you need to look at are for the drawing. We can draw a wall based on a single line, chain line, line box, or arcs. So let's look at these. If I choose line, I simply left click where I want to start my wall, move it over, and left click where I want to end it. And that's it. I can now return to the page and start dropping cabinets on here. Let's go back to the walls, and this time I'm going to select chain line. This time I click and click to end, but it doesn't end there. It allows you to simply keep moving your mouse and continue placing walls each time you left click. The line box, you simply draw a square box. This would be great for walk-in closets or things of that nature. Let me select all of these and delete them so I can show you the arcs. Okay, the first arc is arc by radius. If I simply left click and then move my mouse away from it, as you can see on the left, I can specify a specific starting and ending point and a radius point, or I can just simply left click and then create the radius that I want and click again. If we go 3-point arc, you will have 3 points assigned that you want to click to, and when you left click the first one, the second one, and then go to the third one and click, there you will have an arc, and I'm just simply using that wall as my third arc just for convenience sake. And then if you go arc by chord, you left click to start with, you move out, you left click at the end, and then you come back to the middle. If you want to set a specific chord position, go to the top left, click the tab key and enter the value, and then once you click, you have your chord position and the arced wall again. Okay, now I'm going to put one single wall out here, and I want to show you how you can control the properties about this wall. If I left click one time, we can change this from a standard wall into a peninsula wall. Peninsula wall is actually invisible when you go into the 3D mode, and that's what you want to use if you are creating an island cabinet. So if we come back out, and this time I want to change it to cathedral. My vault position I'm going to put at 25, and let's look at it in elevation view, and you see I have a vaulted or a cathedral ceiling, cathedral wall. Same thing happens. You can set it to be either vaulted left or right. You also can change it into a wall end if you want to take advantage of those features. You have control over the height, the soffit, and the thickness, even the hatching that goes on it. So that's a look at how you're laying out walls in CAD. Like I said, it may be a little confusing the first time you see it, but once you get used to it, you're going to enjoy the power of it. This completes today's training movie. I would like to remind you of your training options. The help files are available within each Cabinet Vision product. The eSupport technical website is a great resource for questions and answers and features a technician monitored forum. Regional training classes are available, so please contact your customer service representative for the classes in your area. If you would like someone to come on site to your location and train your team This can be arranged. Online training is a very convenient method for training over the Internet. The e-learning training series is a series of topics which you can purchase online and download for immediate use. If you have questions about this or anything else, please go to our website, cabinetvision.com. We look forward to you joining us next time. Thank you for watching.